Curious about the hottest tech of 2025? I've got the scoop on the top 10 must-haves. Number 10, the Anker 737 power bank. Fast charging, compact, and a massive 24,000 mAh. Price $89.99. Number 9, Echo Show 8 3rd General. Smart display with Alexa for ultimate home control. Price $149.99. Number 8, Tile Pro Bluetooth tracker. Find lost items fast with your phone. Price $34.99. Number 7, Logitech MX Anywhere 3 mouse. Silent clicks, smooth scroll, ultra portable. Price $59.99. Number 6, Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. Write, scan, and wipe for endless pages. Price $32.99. Number 5, TP-Link Casa Smart Plug. Control any device with your phone or voice. Price $19.99 for a 2-pack. Number 4, Lamical Adjustable Phone Stand. Perfect for video calls, TikToks, and desk setups. Price $13.99. Number 3, Wyze Cam V3. A budget-friendly indoor-outdoor smart cam. Price $35.99. Number 2, BenQ Screen Bar. Monitor light. A game-changing light bar for your desk setup. Price $109.99. And number 1, Meta Quest 3 with 128 GB. Immersive VR experience and next-gen performance. Price $499.99. Which gadget's your favorite? Links in the description. Like and subscribe for more.